job. Concerning light.
Thanks. Are you proud of me?
Hey, come here. Of course I'm proud of you.
Hey, baby. Crazy last week. Now I know why I hate church.
How was mediation?
Ridiculous. Yeah. Monica actually thinks she has a shot at getting Roscoe back. She's delusional.
So you decided to fuck some sense into her. Huh? Gotta say, Marty, you called it. You said she wanted to fuck you in mediation, so you were right.
Oh, come on. April, stop, please.
Don't pack? Oh, yeah, that's right. Let me sit back and hear some of that Marty Kahn spin. Go on, sell me. Fucking sell me, Marty. No? Nothing? I'll go for you. My name is Marty Kahn. And everything you thought you knew about me, you don't. I am smarter than you, and I will make you need me. And then I'll show you how I am completely incapable of being loyal to anything or anyone but myself. I'll blow the fucking shit out of any goddamn thing that could ever be good for me in my life.
What happened? What happened to the girl who was like, you know, here's my friend in Tampa, and I want you to have a...
You're in the middle of a custody battle, and she's trying to take your son from you, who, by the way, deserves way better than the two of you. And in the middle of that, your dick got hard. Who does that?
Me, I'm fucked up!